Alright, so today I will be showing you how to speed up your Android phone. One thing that you want to note here is that I'm using a Samsung Galaxy S7. That's the Android phone that I'm using. So if you are doing this yourself on your phone that's not the same model, the settings and stuff may look a little bit different, but for the most part they should generally be the same. First off, one thing you might want to download, this is up to you. You can go to the Google Play Store and download this application here called Trepin Profiler. This application is able to check a multitude of things on your phone. Some of them being that it can show you the real-time CPU load for individual cores. It can have an overview of the network traffic for both mobile data and Wi-Fi on your phone. It'll show the GPU loads and RAM usage and a few other things. Let's choose the CPU load overlay. So it shows a small little graph for each 4 of the cores that are on my phone, and this will just be a constant overlay. So if I move my back screen, it'll stay there. If you want to toggle these on and off, there's just a simple little check mark in the top right, and you can check them to turn them on and off, and you can just move them around just by tapping and holding and sliding them. And to minimize this down, you kind of hit the little back arrow to go back into the Trepin Profiler app. One of the other things that's also nice about this application is the CPU usage monitor. I don't have any applications currently running for it to track, but right here it would show the CPU percentage being used on each application. So this will show you what application is using the most of your CPU, which will be slowing down your phone. So let's say Facebook's using 15% for some reason. You can just close out of Facebook, look back in this the CPU usage monitor, and then look back at it, and it'll have the application closed, and it won't be using that 15% anymore. A couple of things you can do with helping to speed up your Android phone would be uninstalling any unneeded or unused applications. So for this, you can go to Settings, and then go find this Phone subcategory, and then also find the Storage section. So from here, it'll show you the phone storage. So for me, I have a 32GB internal storage, and 25.8 gigs is being used out of that 32. But it also shows my SD card that I have in my phone, which is 238 gigs, and I've only got 8 gigabytes used out of that. So if I go ahead and click on an internal storage here, it shows me relatively the same thing and a few more specifics. So it shows the available space that I have left, and also the system memory. There's also these subcategories here that are pre-generated by the actual device itself. So once this finishes calculating, it'll show you an exact amount of storage being taken up by each category. So in this case, applications are taking up 17.34 gigabytes on my phone. So if I go ahead and click into this, once it loads, alright, so now it's showing my internal storage of applications sorted by numerical and then followed by alphabetical order, and it shows the actual size underneath each name. You can also sort it by name and by size. So in this case, Spotify is my largest file on my phone because I use Spotify and have a lot of music downloaded on there. So if I just click into Spotify here real quick, if I want to clear out any data or the cache memory for this said application, I can click either of these, but since I use Spotify, I'm not going to do that. Another way of uninstalling programs is, so let's say I want to uninstall Steam. I can tap and hold, and I can drag it, I can tap and hold, and then drag it down to the uninstall, right there, and then it'll ask me if I want to uninstall the application. What some people do is when they do this, they bring it to the remove shortcut just because it looks like a dumpster can. So they think that it actually uninstalled the application when in reality all it does is remove the shortcut. One other thing that you can do to help speed up your phone is to go to this little button down here at the bottom right, the little 3 hash marks, and this will bring up all the programs or applications on your phone that are currently running. So I've got quite a few here. I can just go ahead and click close all, and it closes them out, and then those programs are now not running in the background of my phone anymore, so it helps speed up my phone. And if you did uninstall some applications, some of them, just like as if it was a computer, they don't fully uninstall until you restart your computer. So in this case, after you do all this, then go ahead and restart your phone, and it should be a little bit faster. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.